Right guys, come inside the Woodland Village here at Alton Towers. I'll take you around. Nice quick room tour for you here today. So as you can see, we're in the main area of the Woodland Village. To your right hand side, you'll see you've got the bed. So this is a double bed. Altogether, I think you can sleep around about 4 people here, if I remember rightly. So to the side here, you've got yourself a mirror, little desk area, also some tea and coffee little facilities here.
Some biscuits.
Some biscuits, hanging space, and also little cot if you need it. Into the kids area, let me quickly take you through. You've got nice bunk beds, big tree. It's very fairy themed here at the Woodland Village, wouldn't you say so? Yeah, we have a little picnic area here.
And they've left the book.
And they have a fan in here, so it isn't air conditioned, so just keep in mind in the summer months it might get a little bit hot in here when you get into the high 30s, you know, like 1-2 times a year that happens. Oh, look at that!
There's a fairy
Little pixie home. There you go. That's
cute.
cool. I like that. And let me take you into the bathroom. So, dead straightforward. You've got your toilet, your sink, water pressure. Bit of air in that system. Your hand soap. You've also got shampoo and body wash in there as well. And then you've got your stand-up bar wash shower bath. So that's it. Nice and straightforward. Little room tour here at the Woodland Village.